Hey everyone! Have you ever seen a mouth-watering dish online or in a magazine and wished you knew how to make it? Or maybe you've got a fridge full of ingredients and no clue what to cook. Well, get ready to be amazed because today I'm going to introduce an awesome free aid tool called Recipe Lens that can do both. It's like magic, but with code. First off, let's talk about what Recipe Lens actually does. This tool uses AI to generate detailed recipes from a simple image. Whether it's a dish you saw online or just some ingredients you have, Recipe Lens can turn those visuals into a full-blown recipe. And when I say detailed, I mean it includes everything from ingredients and instructions to nutritional info and even a video tutorial. For instance, I tested Recipe Lens with a picture of grilled shrimp with garlic butter. The AI not only identified it as garlic butter shrimp with grilled lemon, but also provided a complete recipe. It listed all the ingredients: shrimp, butter, garlic, parsley, lemon, you name it. It even suggested the necessary equipment like a skillet and linked to where you can buy it, which is super convenient. But wait, there's more. You can also use Recipe Lens to create a recipe from a list of ingredients. Let's say you have some chicken, vegetables, and rice in your fridge. Just tell Recipe Lens what you have, and it will suggest some amazing dishes you can whip up. It's perfect for avoiding food waste and getting creative in the kitchen. Now, let me walk you through how easy it is to use Recipe Lens. 1. Visit Recipe Lens. Just head over to their website and upload a photo. You can take a new one or choose from your gallery. 2. Add details. If you want, you can specify characteristics like spicy or vegetarian, or add any extra ingredients that might not be visible in the image. 3. AI analysis and recipe generation. The AI works its magic analyzing the image and generating a recipe. It's quick, it's accurate, and it even considers your dietary preferences. 4. View your recipe. Voila! You get a complete recipe with step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and nutritional info. And if you're a visual learner, there's even a video tutorial to guide you through the process. 5. Share or print. Like what you see. Share the recipe with friends or print it out for easy access in the kitchen. So, are you ready to start cooking with AI? Head over to the Recipe Lens website and give it a try. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more awesome AI tools and tips. See you in the next video.